kingdom of the heaven is like a merchant looking for fine pearls. When he found one of great value, he went away and sold everything he had and bought it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've been enjoying the video so far. I wanted to come on briefly and let you know that this video is a part of a collaboration. I'm a member of the group Heaven's Pearls. Now, we're a group of like-minded Christian YouTubers, and we come together every month and bring you a different message, and we do everything that we do for the glory of God. Now, for this month, our message comes from 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verses 1 through 12. And just as we did last month, we are focusing and continuing to focus on the gifts of the Holy Spirit. Now, this month, our gift is wisdom. And I also like to share with you why I chose the look that I did for the tablescape. When I thought about wisdom and I thought about the gifts that the Lord gives us and how much He loves us, I thought about Psalms chapter 12, verse 6 that says, "The promises of the Lord are pure, like silver refined in a furnace and purified 7 times. Also, the gold represents God's glory, His magnificent glory. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please go and visit the other ladies. I've left links to their channels in the description box along with the playlist. Thank you again, and I hope to see you soon in the next video.